Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another summer special recipe, that is chocolate ice cream. Yes, everyone's favorite flavor is chocolate ice cream. That's why I'm going to share this homemade chocolate ice cream recipe using very simple, easily available ingredients and without any ice cream machine, any fancy equipment. So without further saying, let's jump into the recipe. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my further video. Now start the recipe. For making chocolate ice cream, first we are going to make chocolate sauce. For that, in a saucepan I have taken half a cup of milk and over high flame I am going to let it come to boil. Next I am going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Here I am using regular granulated sugar and mix it so that it gets dissolved in this milk. Next, to this hot milk, I am going to add 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder or 5 tablespoons if you don't have the cup measurement. And now turn the heat to low and mix it with the hot milk so that there is no lumps. Make sure there should not be any lumps because we need a smooth consistency of the sauce. So I'm going to change it with a whisk and break down if any lumps are present in there, and do it over low flame, otherwise the chocolate can burn. And you can see the consistency, it's quite thick. And now the sauce is ready. Let it cool completely before using it. Meanwhile, here I have prepared an ice bath. That means in a bowl I have taken some ice, and over that I have placed a glass bowl in which I have taken 2 packets of Amul fresh cream, and I am going to whisk it on low speed for 5 minutes. That means speed 1. I am using Amul fresh cream because it's very easily available in local grocery stores, and trust me, the taste will be same as the store-bought chocolate ice cream. So it's done. You can see the cream has become quite fluffier now. Next to that, I am going to add condensed milk. I am using 200 ml of condensed milk to make it more richer, and whisk it on low speed for a minute. As it's chocolate ice cream, that's why you need to add the sweetness or sweetener more. Next I am going to add the prepared chocolate sauce, which is cooled completely now. Otherwise you need to cool this chocolate sauce completely, otherwise it will split the cream and it will be ruined. Again whisk it for a minute and see this lovely chocolatey color, which is exactly similar to the store-bought chocolate ice cream. Now it's ready. Within like 7-8 minutes it's done. Now all you need to do, just pour the ice cream batter, ice cream mix into a container. And everyone's favorite ice cream is chocolate ice cream, so whenever you are making chocolate ice cream, make it in larger portion and scrape down the bowl because you don't want to miss any of it. But I'm not going to scrape all the things, scrape down all the batter, because I'm going to lick the bowl now because it tastes delicious. Doesn't it look like the store-bought tub one? Now I'm going to add some chocolate chips on top. You can use the chocolate chips into the batter as well, but then the chocolate chips tends to settle down at the bottom, which I don't like. That's why I'm using it on the top of the batter or ice cream mix. Now it's done. In with the lid and freeze it for 8 hours minimum or overnight for maximum. Now after overnight, we are back again and see our chocolate ice cream is ready and look awesome. Doesn't it look awesome? Just like the tub of Quality Walls ice cream or any store-bought chocolate ice cream tub. So within like 10 minutes, using very simple ingredients, you have made this ice cream. Doesn't it so amazing. So scoop it down like this and serve it into a fancy bowl like this, and look at it, exactly like the store-bought chocolate ice cream one. No one will believe that you have made this ice cream at home, and trust me, the taste is exactly same as the store-bought ice cream, chocolate ice cream. So whenever you are going to serve this to your friends and family, they will be surprised to know that you have made this ice cream at home using these simple ingredients and without any ice cream machine. So if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, share with your friends and comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. Thank you.